weather on the 6s.
Hey there, good morning. The view from the CCAC camera out at Snoopy's. Boy, I tell you, a lot of traffic there over the JFK Causeway. We picked the perfect time to check in on the busy bees who are going across the bridge. We don't tend to see as many cars, but you know what? We are seeing everybody move smoothly, and that's what counts for the morning commute. But notice some of that haziness, the glowing in the lights. It's pretty humid out there, and it's something we're also seeing with the downtown studio sky cam behind me. A cloudy view, lots of glowiness in the lights. That's the lights reflecting all the different droplets of moisture and humidity out there. So it's an area you can wear morning. Something else I wanted to point out from this view, low clouds. It's kind of hard to see at this exact moment, but we've been watching them kind of cruise by at a pretty fast speed. And those flags atop the towers on Shoreline also waving in the wind. So it's windier a couple hundred feet above us. As we head past sunrise, that'll mix with the breeze we have here at the surface. And it's going to do a couple things to change the weather we see over the next few hours. It's a lot to unpack, so let's get to what's happening right now. We are warm temps in the middle 70s for the large part across the coastal bend. A humid southeast breeze from about 10 to 15 miles per hour across the coastal bend. And cloudy skies. Visibility is not too bad, even though it's hazy. We only get as bad as 6 miles visibility up in Rockport. So pretty good for those of you who are heading out for that commute. But here's how that wind situation is going to change the weather we see over the next couple of hours. It's breezy out there now. After sunrise, we're going to mix the breeze here at the ground level with those faster wind speeds a couple hundred feet up. So that'll increase our wind speeds over the next couple of hours. It's also going to help to shake up some of the cloud coverage because we'll be mixing that pot of moisture up there too. So it allows for pockets of sunshine to come into the forecast, all of that adding to warm temperatures in the lower 80s by the lunchtime period. Second half of the day, even more sunshine into the mix. That carries us into the middle 80s, and we're going to keep the breeze parked around 20 miles per hour for the sustained wind, but do expect gusts to be up around 30 miles per hour throughout the afternoon. This is pretty similar to what we saw yesterday, but if anything, maybe just a little more tame going through today. The gustiness will last through about dinner time to bedtime, and then the overnight should be more tame, but we keep the southeast breeze. So yes, plenty of moisture and humidity. Does it lend to more color on this map? Are we going to see any more rainfall in the mix? Yeah, I think we get a little bit of a break for the next couple of days. Maybe a stray shower for today, and that will likely be inland, but it's not going to be meaningful rainfall for anyone. We picked up the meaningful rainfall already, and that time has passed. But look at all this color in the watershed and along our coastal neighborhoods. This is great. It's not a drought buster, but it is a good sign. Also, when today's drought monitor updates later this morning around 10 a.m., this will not be calculated into that because it happened so recently. That cuts off on Monday, comes out on Thursday. So we're not going to see any of this benefit in it. We'll check that out next week. But some of us didn't really pick up on any meaningful rainfall in the past 72 hours. Don't worry, there are more chances in the 7-day forecast. As we go through the next 24 hours, maybe a stray shower in the morning, but again, I think the models just pick up on some of the hazy air you can wear moisture and count that as rain. I'm not really anticipating any meaningful rainfall here for any of us in the coastal bend. Not until next Wednesday, at least. Still, this forecast is a couple days out, so don't put too much confidence in that either. I'm just happy to see rain chances in the middle of next week. We'll keep an eye on it for you. But Muggy meter shows we are going to be pretty summer-like. That humidity stays up there. Dew points in the 70s as we head through the weekend. So if you're heading out to Sandfest in Port Aransas, the event kicks off tomorrow. We're going to stay in those upper 70s, feeling good with a breeze between 10 and 20 miles per hour. So should be a good time to get out there and support the artists. For our neighbors in the Rockport and Kingsville neighborhoods, yeah, pretty consistent forecast. Kingsville showing that rainfall coming in a day later around Thursday. And for us here in Corpus Christi, take your pick. 84 or 85. That's our temperature situation heading into the next 7 days. Looking good for the Buck Days Rally Night Parade on Saturday.